the example program for include. To understand the usage of include preprocessor directive, include is used for the file inclusion, or we can also include the header files as part of our code. So here the before sign here is preprocessor directive. So hash is a preprocessor directive where your compiler checks for the availability of the header file or the file first. It goes back to that particular specific file and reads the content of that file, and it tries to implement the same contents whatever they are there as part of that file into the program. So this is the usage of a preprocessor directive called hash. Then hash followed by include. So include is used to include the specific header file or a file from the different location to this particular specific program. So as part of this particular program, we have stdio.h, which is standard input output header file, which will support your printf function and the format specifiers and all. Next, hash include. So I am including a file with hash include define.c is nothing but I am trying to include a file from the location, from the different location to a specific program. Now in define.c I have defined hash define height, hash define number, hash define letter sequence, next hash define backslash underscore char. So all these things I have defined in the define.c, which is an external file, and I am trying to include that external file within this given program. Now let us see here, hash include define.c, whatever the definitions they are there as part of this particular file are being included within this program, and you can get the value substituted in the place of these. So value of height, what is the value of height? 100. So it is going to print value of height is 100. Next, value of number. So what is the value of number? 3.14. So it is going to print as 3.14. The value of letter. So what is the value of letter here? A. So it is going to print as A. The value of letter sequence. So what is the value of letter sequence over here? ABC. It is going to print as ABC. Next, the value of backslash char. So what it is being specified as part of backslash char, that is slash question mark. It will give the question mark sign. So after giving these all in the define.c, so it is going to invoke within this given program and you are going to get the values of it. Now let me execute this program and show you the output. The value of height is 100. The value of number is 3.1400. The value of letter is A. The value of letter sequence is ABC. The value of backslash underscore char is question mark. So this is how we can understand the usage of hash include, that is inclusion. So we are trying to include the header file, as well as we can also include some of the external files whatever they are required. So you should be giving them within the same folder where the program is getting saved. This is how we can use hash include, and we can also include the header files as well as the external files within the given program.